labor of love that begins with the gathering of flowers at dawn. The women of Tuvalu, known for their grace and skill, expertly weave the flowers together, creating a tapestry of colors and fragrances. The fall is not merely an accessory, it is a testament to a Tuvaluan people's deep-rooted connection with nature. Each flower has a story to tell, a reminder of the symbolic relationship between the land and its inhabitants. Hibiscus represents passion and love, while the French-Chinese practice is a reminder of purity and grace. When the Tuvaluan dons their fall, they carry the essence of their home with them, a fragrant reminder of their place in the world. In Tuvalu, the fall is not confined to celebrations and ceremonies. It is an integral part of everyday life. It serves as a constant reminder of the natural beauty, and spiritual is a connectedness that defines Tuvaluan culture.
A twisted woven from Indonesian fibers showcases the resilience and resourcefulness of Tuvalu. Its integrated patterns often depict